Hello everyone. Have you ever thought about how can a tiny word completely change someone's entire day? We live in a fast world, running after big achievements, but we often forget the small things that truly matters. Today, I want to talk about the magic behind simple words like thank you, I'm proud of you, and so on. Think about it. When someone's feeling down, a short message or just a kind smile can act like a light in the dark. Words have wings. They can either lift the people up or pull them down. You don't need money to make someone happy or to spread positively around you. You just need a kind heart. When we choose to be kind, we not just change the world around us, we are grow beautiful inside too.